Okay, we will start the remaining part of nomenclature of alcohol. This is a next example. CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH2, OH. Here, the common name is, this arrangement is called as a NEO, that is carbon containing 3 methyl group. It is a NEO, therefore neopentyl alcohol. Its common name. And for IUPAC name, first give numbering, and numbering starting from this hydroxyl, that means this 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Therefore name of the compound is, here at 2 number position there is 2 methyl group, therefore 2 2 dimethyl and 3 carbon, therefore propane 1 ol. Next example, here the CH3 CH CH3 CHOH C CH3 CH3 CH3. Here it is a complicated molecule. Simply for complicated structure, instead of common name we just use only the IUPAC name. It is preferred for understanding. Okay, but it is preferred, it does not create any confusion. That's why for a complicated structure we have to only use the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, and for IUPAC nomenclature, first giving numbering, and numbering is always starting nearest to the hydroxyl groups. Here from this side, here 1 2 3, 3 number position is hydroxyl. If we start the numbering from this side, 1 2 3, here again at third number position there is hydroxyl groups. But why we start the numbering from this side? Because here if we start the numbering from this side at 1 2, at here at 2 number position there is 2 substituent, here only 1 substituent, therefore we start numbering from this 1 2 3 4 5. And here therefore IUPAC name of this compound, here simply, here at 2 number position 2 methyl, and also at 4 number position there is 1 methyl, therefore 2 2 4, here this is 1 2 and this is 3, that was 3 methyl, therefore trimethyl. And here 5 carbon, therefore pent 3 ol, because at 3 number position is hydroxyl groups, therefore 3 ol. Therefore the complete IUPAC name given structure is 2 2 4 trimethyl pent 3 ol. Next example, here CH3 CHOH CHOH CH3. Here for IUPAC name, first giving a numbering 1 2 3 4. Hence the IUPAC name is 4 carbon, therefore butane. And at 2 and 3 number position there is hydroxyl group. It is called as diol. That means 2,3 diol. Therefore name of the compound is butane 2,3 diol. Next example, this is a big example. First for IUPAC name, first giving a numbering. Here the numbering starting nearest to the hydroxyl end. Therefore this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now therefore name of this compound is, here simple, at 4 number position there is ethyl group. Here at 4 number position there is ethyl group. Therefore name of this compound is 4 ethyl, here 7 carbon, therefore heptane 4 ethyl heptane. And 2 and 3 number position, 2 and 3 number position there is hydroxyl group. It is called as a diol. Therefore name of the compound is 4 ethyl heptane 2,3 diol. Next example, here OH CH2 CHOH CH2 CH2 CH3. For IUPAC name, again first same, first giving a numbering, and hydroxyl group numbering always starting nearest to the hydroxyl. Therefore this 1 2 3 4 5. and hence the IUPAC name is here 5 carbon, therefore pentane. 1 and 2 number position there is hydroxyl group, therefore pentane 1,2 diol. Okay, next example, the nomenclature. Here and this is again a big structure. For IUPAC nomenclature, again first start the numbering, always numbering starting nearest to the hydroxyl group, therefore this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here the IUPAC name this compound here again alphabetical order. Here two substituents, one is chlorine and other is methyl, and according to IUPAC rule, here if the more than two substituents are present here or more than one substituents are present, then Cl and CH3, here Cl will be the come first according to alphabetical order, therefore 4 chloro and 2 and 3 here methyl group, 2 and 3 number position there is methyl group, therefore 2 3 dimethyl pentane, because 5 carbon therefore pentane 1 ol, therefore name of this compound is 4 chloro 2 3 dimethyl pentane 1 ol. Okay, so very simple friends. A next example here, first giving the numbering, and numbering is always starting nearest to the hydroxyl groups. Here we start numbering from this side is 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have to select the longest chain, and if we start from this numbering from these sides, because here if we start numbering from this side, here the hydroxyl groups it is the maximum number, and from the in this fashion if we start the numbering from this side 1 2 3 4 5, from this position here the hydroxyl group it having nearest or it having a minimum number, and from this direction if we start the numbering the hydroxyl group is away from, therefore the numbering starting from nearest to the hydroxyl, that means 1 2 3 4 5 here, and here the substituents are present, that means CH here 1 2. Okay, that means this arrangement, that means this is the one linkage, and here therefore name of this compound here at 3 number position 3 chloro ethyl, that means here ethyl group 3 chloromethyl 2 at this, that means this position 2 in bracket 1 methyl ethyl 1 methyl, this one ethyl pentane 5 carbon, therefore pentane 1 ol, that means 3 chloromethyl 2 at 2 number position, that means this one 2. Okay, nomenclature of alcohol. Next example, this again a big molecule. For nomenclature of alcohol, here we have to first select a longest carbon chain, and here if we start the numbering from this direction, here 1 2 3, here OH and this OH is are away from, and if we start this numbering from this direction, that means this 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, and here these substituents here the name of this compound here at 2 and 5 number position, here at 2 number position there is 1 methyl, and at 5th number position there is 1 methyl, therefore 2 5 dimethyl and dimethyl hexane, 6 carbon, 1 and 3 number position there is hydroxyl, therefore 1,3-diol. Therefore name of the compound is 2,5-dimethyl hexane 1,3-diol. Next example, CH2CH CHOH CH2 CH2 CH3. First giving a numbering, we have to select a longest continuous carbon chain and nearest to the hydroxyl. Therefore this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and hence the name of the compound is here 6 carbon, therefore hex 1, because at 1 number position there is double bond, that means alkene, therefore 1 in, and 3 number position there is hydroxyl, therefore hex 1 in 3-ol. Next example, CH3 CHOH CH double bond CH Br CH2 CH2 CH3. First giving numbering is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here simply the name of the compound is here 3-bromo hex, and here at 2 number position there is double bond, therefore hex 2 in 2-ol. Therefore name of the compound is 3-bromo, because 3 number position there is bromine, 3-bromo hex 2 in 2-ol. Next example, this is a cyclic compound, and for cyclic compound numbering starting from this hydroxyl, therefore this is 1 2 3, okay, and here the IUPAC name is 3-bromo, because at 3 number position there is bromine, therefore 3-bromo cyclohexane, because cyclic compound, therefore we discussed the cyclic compound prefix is cyclohexane 1-ol. Okay, thank you.